Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So the episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a brand new iPad Pro, and this is the 12.9-inch one. So when you guys first order the product, this is what the package looks like, and the way how they designed the wrapper is actually really cool. So I'm just open it up to show you guys what it looks like first. So I'm gonna pull this part right here. Once you guys put that part open, you don't take it out. And then once you guys take off the wrapper, if you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. So inside right here, you can see how she mentions that it is an iPad Pro. If you can see in the back, they mention how it's the iPad Pro 12.9-inch, and we got the 512GB. They do have it available in bigger or smaller size, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one I prefer. Usually when I purchase any of the iPhone devices, I always get 512GB because I feel like when you guys are using 256GB, it's not enough. But this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the inside looks like. So I don't take this part out like this. So right here we do have the iPad. But right underneath the iPad, you can see we do have a little box. And they probably have the user manual and setup inside. So take that out first. So when you guys do take it out, they provide you guys a user manual right here. And they also provide you guys an Apple sticker, which is definitely pretty cool. So that way if you guys want to stick it onto your water bottle, your laptop, your iPad, or anything else, you guys can definitely stick it anywhere you guys want to. So that is what's included in the small little box. Right underneath that, you can see they provide you guys some more stuff as well. So they provide you guys a USB-C to USB-C cable that you can use to recharge it. But if you guys have your own cable, then you guys can use that instead. So for me, I'll most likely be using my Anker USB-C to USB-C cable, which is this one right here. This is the Anker Powerline Fold 3 USB-C to USB-C cable. That definitely feels like a higher quality cable and charges much faster than the cable that they provide for you guys in the package. So if you guys do want one, feel free to check it out. And also if you guys know this cable is much longer as well, because they give you guys the option to choose 3 feet or 6 feet. So that's up to you guys. So we will be using this one to charge it instead of the other one. And right here they provide you guys a USB-C wall charger. So definitely want to plug that in to recharge the product. Or if you guys have your own one, you can definitely use that instead. For this wall charger, it is 20 watts. So if you guys have a stronger one, you can definitely use your own. And for this test, we'll be using this one right here, which is from the Anker brand. And it is a 902 with a 65 watts. Which is more than enough power for you guys to charge the iPad or MacBook Pro and etc. And the way how they design the product is so compact and portable. You can see how it's foldable right here. And there's a lot more power as well since it is 65 watts. Compared to the one that they provide for you guys, it's only 20 watts. So if you guys want one of these, definitely feel free to check it out. Like I mentioned, I will be using these 2 cables to recharge it instead of the one that they provide for you guys in the package. But that is everything that's included in the package. Now I'm going to show you guys the actual iPad. So this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it in the front. When you guys turn to the back, this is what the back part looks like. So you do have the Apple logo in the back, and we do have the camera right here. So let's take out the protection layer first. So this one peel off just like this, and then slide it out. Once you guys slide it out, this is what the product looks like. When you guys look from the side, it's definitely very slim and very thin. And then this is what the back part looks like. Top part right here, we do have the button, and then we do have the speakers throughout the product. If you can see on the side right here, we do have the button control for you guys to increase or lower the volume. And then here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So we also have the speaker on the bottom right here as well. And you guys also have the slot for you to plug in the cable to recharge it. I believe on top right here is where you can put the Apple Pencil if you guys do have one or if you guys do plan on using one. So that way you can keep everything all organized. But that is everything that's included in the product. Let me just plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it first. So like I mentioned, I'll be using this one right here. And we're using the cable right here. So I'm gonna plug it in. And I'll plug this into the wall outlet first. Alright, so we got it plugged in. Other side, we're gonna plug it into iPad. So I don't plug in the bottom. Alright, so we got it plugged in. You can see how it powers on. So the cable definitely does work and actually charges pretty fast when you guys do use this combo into the Powerline Flow cable and the Anker Nano 2. So once you guys do get the product, you guys want to set everything up first. But this is what the screen looks like when you guys first get it. So let's go set the product up first and we'll test it out to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so we just finished setting up the actual product. You can see it definitely looks pretty nice. For the iPad Pro, you can see how it should give you guys a full screen experience from corner to corner and top and bottom. It's definitely a huge upgrade compared to the first ever iPad, which is definitely pretty awesome. And when you guys use the product, you can see how it should run really smooth. Everything just glides through really smoothly. And when you guys use the camera option, it's actually pretty high quad as well. And the wide angle lens for both the front and the back is actually really wide. So if you guys go camera, this is what the camera looks like when you guys first turn it on. But if you guys zoom out, you guys can see how much wider it can go. So that's actually really cool if you guys want to get a wide angle view. And when I put my face on here, you can see it's definitely very clear when you guys use it. But in terms of the camera option, you can see how she has a flashlight option right here, and there's 2 different lenses. And when you guys use the camera, it's actually pretty high quality, and there's actually a lot of different options available. So you can see on the side right here, they give you guys all these different options. There's a photo option, a portrait option, there's a video option, slow-mo option, etc. And if you guys go down, there's a square option and panoramic option as well. And then once you guys go up, there's a time-lapse option. So you basically get everything that's probably get on like a regular iPhone device. So I'm actually recording on here to show you guys what I mean. Right, so right now I am recording on the first option when you guys first turn it on. But if you guys zoom out, once you guys zoom out, this is how far I can go. You can see how to give you guys a pretty good coverage on here. And if I want to tilt the screen to the other side, this is what the product looks like. If you guys can see how she had a pretty good coverage on here. It actually shows you guys my whole entire backdrop that's on here, which is actually really cool. But if you guys zoom in, you guys won't see as much, alright? So once you guys zoom in, this is how close it can go. So if you guys want to get a pretty good coverage on here, you definitely want to zoom out when you guys actually use it. And having such a big screen on here is actually really useful, so that way you can see stuff much clearer. But the way how the iPad works, it works the same way as using the iPhone, where you can just move it left and right and using the Face ID. And for this brand new iPad Pro, they mentioned how I should use like the brand new M1 chip, so that way you can get a faster performance on here. But like I mentioned, for this iPad, I should give you guys 4 different speakers. So whether you guys want to play like a video this way or tilt it this way, you guys definitely have those 2 options available. So now I'm going to play a video to show you guys the quality that's on here first. So I'll just go on my YouTube channel and play something to show you guys the quality that's on here. So as I'm typing right now, it actually has a really fast response on here. So this video that I'm playing for you guys is from my trip to Japan like a few years ago. You can see the video quality on here actually is pretty. If you see the video quality that's on here, it's actually pretty high quality, and the audio is pretty good. I love the fact that how she has 4 different speakers on here, 2 on each side to give you guys that kind of like surround sound when you guys are playing your videos. But definitely when you guys see the quality on here, it's super high quality. If you guys want to increase or lower the volume, you guys can press the button on top of here.
Make sure you're using that
So when you guys turn the max volume on here, it's actually really loud, so I don't want to keep it too loud. Alright, so that's a quick little test to show you guys the video quality is on here. If you can see, it definitely works pretty well. And one thing that I do notice is that when you guys actually use it, the overall performance is actually really fast. So like for example, if I want to swipe up and just move to a different app or something, I can definitely do that on here really easily. And I do notice when I actually plug in the keyboard that we're using right here from the Anker brand, it actually charges pretty fast. It went from like 91% to 97% already within like 10 minutes. And one last thing that I do want to mention about the camera option is the fact that it does have the LiDAR scanner option and the AR option. And when you guys do purchase any kind of iPhone or iPad, I do recommend you guys get like a screen protector and also a case as well. I do have a case, but I'll probably show that in a different video. They do mention how it has like a 5 studio quality microphone that's built in. The quality of the microphone that's on here, it actually performs a lot better than a lot of other headphones and other microphones that tested in the past, which is actually really cool. So if you guys want to use this iPad to record like voiceover or something, you guys can definitely do that on here. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you gotta try and look for a high quality iPad that can do everything that I mentioned that's on here. Or even if you guys want to use it for like doing art, or if you guys want to edit videos or edit photos, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.